In this video, I will show you how to protect your WhatsApp account with two-step verification process, which requires a 6-digit PIN code, and in later part of this video, you will learn what to do in case you forget this 6-digit verification PIN code. The two-step verification process adds an extra layer of protection to your WhatsApp account. So let's get started. First, go to settings, then click on account option which has a key icon. Here you will see a lot of options. Click on two-step verification. Once you are in the two-step verification user interface, then you will see an option called Enable at the bottom of your screen. Click on it. A new user interface will be opened in front of you. Here, enter the 6-digit PIN code of your choice. This PIN will be asked when you reinstall the WhatsApp on a new phone. So, if someone tries to log in into your WhatsApp account, then he also needs this 6-digit PIN code which will verify the rightful owner of WhatsApp account. Once you have entered this 6-digit PIN, then click on the next. Enter your PIN again to confirm and click on next. In the next step, you will be asked to enter the email address. This email address will be used to reset the 6-digit PIN code in case you forget the 6-digit verification PIN code. So do enter the email address which will act as a backup for recovering your WhatsApp account. Now click on next, confirm your email address and click on save. You will finally see a message which says two-step verification is enabled. Click on done. You can turn off this two-step verification by clicking on disable option. So this was the quick and easy process of securing your WhatsApp account. If you like chatting on WhatsApp, then click the like button below. Let us say you bought a new phone and you are trying to install WhatsApp, but it needs this 6-digit PIN code for the verification of owner. If you do not know this 6-digit PIN code, then follow these steps. Open the WhatsApp, enter your phone number, click on the next. After that, WhatsApp will verify your account by a text message. WhatsApp will ask you to enter the 6-digit PIN for verification. In this situation, you need to click on the forgot PIN option, which is in green color. A new window will appear which says send email. Click on it and WhatsApp will send you a link through which you can reset your 6-digit verification PIN code. Now open the email which you have registered with WhatsApp. You will see a blue color link at the bottom of the WhatsApp email. By clicking this link, WhatsApp two-step verification will be turned off. So click on it. After that, a WhatsApp page will be opened in a new browser. Click on confirm button. You will see a message which says two-step verification has been removed from your WhatsApp account. After that, you can log in without the 6-digit verification PIN code. So this was the quick and easy process of securing your WhatsApp account through two-step verification process. If you like this video, then consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for future updates about useful apps. I hope this video was helpful to you, so share this video with friends.